gospel industry will also change my life. We've been through so much that the public eye doesn't see. The haters might jump into conclusions after slight misconceptions, not knowing how much practice and dedication she puts to give Kenya the best quality of her work. My mother had a lot of hopes and dreams for me. She wanted me to reach heights that are unimaginable. The moment she saw the talent, she tried to embrace and nurture no matter what the crowd said. She was the only one who truly believed in me and knew there was something in me. The only thing I can promise her now is that with or without her, I will accomplish all the awards we talked about, even dedicate them all to her. Never in my mind did death come across my mind when she got that sickness. Nothing major has ever happened in my life, so death seems so unreal. As some of you know, my mother is very strong, and the sickness started with small headaches, and after that it got so severe she had to go to a small hospital nearby our house. The rest is too painful to explain, but my mother was in severe pain, yet she tried to smile for us. I remember the words I told her like it was yesterday. I told her that when we saw her in AAR, she came out with, on a hospital bed, like tubes all around her mouth and nose. And I only saw her for like 2 minutes because like, there were so many people there. But then I forced myself into the ambulance to like talk to her alone. I told her that we miss her and we love her, and it's so sad to come back home to not see your mom there anymore because she's sick in the hospital. I used to come to school telling myself when I come back home and see mom, you know, she used to have a favorite like spot where she would sit down. So I would always imagine to come back home and see her there, but I never saw her. I never saw her, but she wasn't able to talk back. She wasn't able to move, but tears ran down her cheeks, and she tried her best to talk back and tell me things, but she wasn't able to tell me. It's hard to see your mother on a hospital bed with many tubes coming in and out of her mouth. Of her mouth, and trying to fight for